Hello, we all have seen questions such as the one displayed on the screen on social media platforms. We know how to add, subtract, multiply, or divide integers. But what happens when multiple operations come together in a mathematical expression? This is known as mixed operations on numbers or order of operations. Since this topic is very important, we have decided to cover it up in a series of videos. So this is part 1. When we have multiple operations in a mathematical expression, we use the acronym BODMAS to help us solve the question. In BODMAS, B stands for brackets, O stands for order. Order means powers, exponents, indices, squares, cubes, square roots, cube roots, etc. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So according to BODMAS, in a mathematical expression, we first of all solve the content within the brackets. Then we solve the powers. Next is the turn of division and multiplication, followed by addition and subtraction. Some people use the acronym PEMDAS instead of BODMAS. Here, P stands for parenthesis, which is another word for brackets. E stands for exponent, which is another word for order. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Have you noticed the sequence of division and multiplication in both these acronyms? In BODMAS, division comes first, whereas in PEMDAS, multiplication comes first. So which do we solve first? In reality, division and multiplication are of the same rank. They are equally powerful. So when an expression involves division and multiplication, we follow the left to right rule. Similarly, addition and subtraction has the same rank. So we follow left to right rule for addition and subtraction as well. So instead of writing all the letters of BODMAS vertically, I really like to write it like this. First of all, brackets, then order, then division and multiplication from left to right, and then addition and subtraction from left to right. Let's look at some questions. First question is negative 55 plus negative 10 minus 10. I have written the acronym BODMAS on the right side. The colors used for each letter are very important, and we have used the same colors to show the operation. In this question, we can see a bracket, so we will solve this bracket first. And hence, I have written the content to be solved with red color. We know that positive into negative 10 is equal to negative 10. And the remaining content, negative 55 and negative 10, is written as it is. Now this question involves only subtraction. There are three terms. We go from left to right. First of all, we will solve negative 55 minus 10. Since 55 and 10 both have same signs, it means we will add the absolute values of them. And sign of the larger number will be written. So minus 55 minus 10 is equal to minus 65. And minus 10 comes as it is. Now again, two numbers are being subtracted. Both numbers have same signs. So we will add the absolute values. And the sign of the larger number will be written. So here the larger number is negative 65. So answer would be negative 75. If you have any confusion in the steps, I would highly recommend you to watch the videos on addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of integers again, because those concepts are being used here. Let's look at another example. Negative 12 minus bracket negative 8 minus negative 2 plus 3. Since we can see the bracket, we are going to solve the content within the bracket first. And again, within the bracket, we have multiple operations. So we are going to apply BODMAS within the bracket as well. Negative into negative 2 is equal to positive 2. Now negative 8 plus 2 is equal to negative 6. And negative into negative 6 is equal to positive 6. Now this question only involves addition and subtraction. So going from left to right, first of all we are going to solve negative 12 plus 6. Negative 12 plus 6 is equal to negative 6 plus 3 comes as it is. And negative 6 plus 3 is equal to negative 3. Let's move to other question. Negative 100 plus negative 45 plus negative 5 plus 20. Looking at the content within the brackets, positive and negative 45 can be written as negative 45 and positive negative 5 will be written as negative 5. And the remaining content, negative 100 and plus 20 remains as it is. Now the problem involves addition and subtraction. Going from left to right, negative 100 minus 45 gives us negative 145. Minus 5 and 20 comes as it is. Again going from left to right, negative 145 minus 5 gives us negative 150 and plus 20 comes as it is. Negative 150 plus 20 is equal to negative 130. Here is another question. Negative 2 plus 3 multiplied by 15. No brackets here, no order here. So according to BODMAS, we will first multiply. So 3 multiplied by 15 is equal to 45 and minus 2 remains as it is. Now negative 2 plus 45 is equal to positive 43. Let's look at another question. Negative 5 minus 2 within the bracket multiplied with negative 3. According to BODMAS, we will first solve the content within the bracket. So negative 5 minus 2 gives us negative 7 and multiplied by negative 3 comes as it is. Now negative 7 multiplied with negative 3 gives us positive 21. That's all for this part. Stay tuned for part 2.